If you are interested in knowing what are the different digital products you can make and you can sell online and earn money as an entrepreneur or as a creative entrepreneur, whatever, if you're interested in those ideas, different products, then this video is exactly for you. Keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. This is my art magazine page where I make content for art entrepreneurs, creative entrepreneurs, talking about the various online art business ideas, online passive income ideas, print on demand websites, and different digital product ideas. So today video is we will going to talk about the different ideas or the different products that you can make, and that is all digital products you can make and can sell online to earn money as an artist. So if you are watching this video, you would be seeing that I am shooting it from different background from my previous videos because I bought a new tripod stand and a new mic. And if you would like to interested in knowing what gear I'm using and how I'm using it and is it helpful to me or not, whatever, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a separate video for that as well. So before starting with the video, that's today's topic, I just want to say, if for those of you guys, so for those of you who don't know what is a digital product, let me tell you what is it. It's a product or it's a service or a product, whatever you will going to make on your mobile, laptop, PCs or screens, and then you will going to deliver that product in the form of digital format. It can be JPEG, PNG, various different formats depending on the product. You will going to deliver that product in that format via online itself. You will not going to deliver that product to the customers by the shipping and all those things. So that's the main thing about the digital product. So now we will going to move on to the digital product ideas. So I have written onto the piece of paper the different ideas that I have used by myself or I have seen other entrepreneurs using it and earning money as an online entrepreneur. Okay, so the first idea that I have for you is the ebook. Now, ebooks are quite common in today's world. Like if you go on the Amazon, they have the complete Kindle ebook, or even if you go on different platforms, they have the different kinds of ebook. You can make ebook related to any topic, anything of your interest or any hobby. There are the recipe ebook, there are the nutrition ebook, there are the travel ebooks, art ebook, online business ebook, entrepreneurship ebook, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, whatever topic you are interested in, you can make an ebook on that based on your expertise, based on your experience, skill, whatever you have related to that particular niche or idea. So that's the first idea, that is an ebook, and it's quite profitable. It's also one of the online passive income ideas that people go into, and then you just need to make this ebook for one time, and then they will going to place that ebook either on their own website or using the third-party websites or whatever they are using for selling that ebook. And whenever a customer come to that platform and make a purchase, they immediately get the download product of that ebook itself. They don't need to wait for that book to be delivered at their home. They will immediately get the download of that book. So that's the ebook. The second thing that I have for you is the design templates. Now the templates are very, very common. You can make any design templates, like you can make design templates. If you are a creative entrepreneur or art entrepreneur, you can make the design templates like an invitations, like cards or custom cards. You can make that digital format of that card, creative invitations, or even you can make the Instagram templates, whatever design templates you can make if you have some creativity in your mind or in your skill or in your experience, whatever, or even if you have a hobby related to that, you can make those design templates, and then you can deliver these design templates to your customer either on your own website, or either you can check out the different third-party website like the Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, or even you can go itself on the Etsy. They also have this facility to sell, so you can do whatever you can, but it's an amazing idea. Now moving on to the third idea that I have for you is stock photos. Now stock photos is a very common thing. You can either sell it on your own platform, or either you can sell it on different stock photos websites like the Getty Images or Adobe Stock, or there are many different platforms. You can click the picture and you can sell that picture in that digital format. And when someone clicks on make a purchase, they immediately get that picture and you will get the payment. So that's the third idea. The fourth idea that I have for you is the stock videos. The same is in case of the stock photos. Another one is the stock video. So if you are a person who loves making short videos, who loves making short animated videos or anything like that, it can be any related to niche or industry or any creative hobby video. You can make those small videos and you can sell either on your website or on the third-party platform. So this is also an amazing idea. Now moving on to the fifth idea that I have for you is the art printable. If you are a creative entrepreneur, if you are an art entrepreneur who have the creative skills, can make an art printable and can just sell it. If you go on the Etsy and can check out, there are different shops are selling the art printables related to different niche and industry. You can check out the Christmas art printables, the floral art printables, the Halloween, New Year, Easter, whatever. So this is also an amazing, and one thing I want to say guys, you don't need to be a creative or an artist or a graphic designer to go and make these digital products. You can check out the different YouTube videos, you can check out different things. The people who are making it, they need not to be an artist or a graphic designer or any designing skills. They can just buy the graphics from different markets, and then they can use those graphics, different fonts, and can make this art printable by themselves. So one of the free software that I can recommend you if you are interested in going for this type of product is the Canva. That's a free tool and that's the most popular tool, and you have all the fonts, all the creative photographs, illustrations, and whatever you want to use for making this art printable. It's quite affordable guys, it's quite affordable to make, and you will going to get the passive income throughout the year or whatever, like how long you are selling that. Okay, the sixth idea is the digital course. Now this is one of the most common because you will be able to see there are different courses in different industry. There is the art course, there is the painting course, there is the calligraphy course, there is the the photography course, the business course, the entrepreneur course, the boutique course. Like there are different courses out there. You can make a course based on your own interest, your own hobby, your own expertise, skill, experience, whatever you can say, and can sell that course either on your own website or onto different platforms like the third-party websites like the Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, whatever you want to do, and you can sell that. The best place to check for different courses, you can go on the Udemy itself, Skillshare, and you can check out the different types of courses on which the people are making and selling on their platform, and you can get an idea of what basically you are going to make the course on, and you can sell it either on their own, on those platforms, or either you can sell it on your own website as well. Now moving on to the seventh idea that we have for you is the digital presets. Now this is also the most common thing. Now before you even think about making a digital preset, now some of would be thinking that I don't have the Adobe skills, I don't know how to make it and all that. Let me tell you guys, it's not that tough to make it. There are many DIY tutorials on the YouTube. You can watch those and you can make it by yourself as well. There is a one Lightroom app which you can download on your own phone itself, and then you can make these digital presets on your phone itself. You don't need Adobe software to make these digital presets. So it's all about your interest and hobby, whichever one you want to pick up. Now moving on to the eighth idea that I have for you is the clip arts. Clip arts are basically an illustration. This is basically one type of digital product which is more related to the creative and the artist and all that. But if you are not a creative entrepreneur who want to go for it, who can make the clip arts at their home using the paper or pencil, if you are a traditional artist, or even you can make it on your iPad. If you are a digital artist, whatever, you can make those clip arts and you can sell in the PNG formats, either on your own website or on the creative market, Etsy, whatever platform you want to choose. But it's also an amazing idea. So there are the clip arts. You can see the bundles of the clip arts, like the people are selling the clip arts related to the Easter, Christmas, even related to the fashion, the animals, the floral, the dresses, the human body faces, and whatever. So you can make anything out of these ideas. These are just so flexible. Whatever niche industry you are, you can apply these ideas. Now moving on to the ninth idea that I have for you is party props. Now this might be new for some of those people who are watching this video who don't know what are the party props and how to use and how to make these digital online. Well guys, you can go check out on the Etsy. There are the many shops which are selling the digital party props, and you can make it by yourself as well guys. It's not a big deal. You can go check on to DIY these ideas and you can find out how to make it, in which format you want to sell it, and how to deliver that product to your customer. So this is also an amazing idea. If you are a party animal, if you are interested in those props and all those ideas that you use it at your own party or your friend's party or whatever. So now moving on to the 10th idea that I have for you is the digital planner or the printable planners. Now planners are most crucial because we are moving to an age where we need to plan ourselves, where we need to plan our meals, plan our day, business, budget, or even a shopping planner, or even different types of events planners. So you can make any planner related to it. You can make a daily planner, weekly planner, monthly planner for a creative entrepreneur, for a female entrepreneur, or for any type of entrepreneur. Even you can make an online digital planner for the YouTubers itself or the influencers, whatever niche or industry you want to pick up. But this is really an amazing idea. You can deliver the product in the form of the PDF, JPEG, PNG, whatever format you want to deliver. This is also an amazing idea. Now moving on to the 11th one, that is the embroidery design. Now this is the one, or the embroidery designs you can say, or the knitting patterns or the crochet patterns. There are the different people who are interested in these ideas, that is the embroidery, crochet and the knitting. They make these patterns and then they deliver these patterns in the form of the digital formats. So you can do as well if you are a person who are interested in these type of embroidery ideas. So this is now moving on to the 12th idea that I have for you is digital stickers. Now guys, stickers are very common. If you are selling your product onto the print on demand website, you would be knowing about it, because Redbubble, most of the sales they are getting is the stickers not digital stickers, exactly the stickers. So if you are a person who would like to make stickers, it can be related to motivation, online business, fashion, animals, floral, jungle, whatever. You can make these digital stickers and you can deliver these digital stickers to your customers, and these are highly profitable ideas. You just need your phone, laptop and PC and any type of screen you have at your place, and you can make it very well on that and can deliver it to the customer. Now moving on to the 13th idea that I have for you is the spreadsheet. Now if you are a person who uses a Microsoft Excel and you have an expertise or a skill or an experience in making these spreadsheet, you can make these spreadsheet and can deliver to the customers, because many online entrepreneur today uses a spreadsheet for getting their budget for the taxes and all that. So if you're a person, you can make this the spreadsheet formats and you can deliver them. It's a spreadsheet type of templates which they can use it, and that's an amazing idea if you're interested in that. Now moving on to the 14th idea, that is the email templates. If you're a person who loves copywriting, who know how to copyright and who are in the creative as well, you don't need to be a copywriter to make the email templates, but if you're interested in that, you can go for it. You can make the templates like the email templates and can deliver it to the customer, because today we need an emails, and this is one of the form in which we communicate our business or communicate our product to the customers in the form of the emails. And emails are the biggest assets. If you are in the, you'll be knowing that email are the biggest asset, and we need an emails, and we need a highly professional looking email, so that then you can make these email templates and you can sell it to the business owners or even to your customers, whatever, depending on your niche or industry. Now moving on to the 15th idea that I have for you is digital mockup. Digital mockup is also very common because we are selling some product online, even on the Amazon, Etsy or whatever marketplace you are using for selling your product. You need a mockup on which you can place your design, or which you can place your product and can then sell it. So there are different mockups like t-shirt mockups, mugs mockups, different dresses mockup, whatever mockup. If you're interested in that, you can make it a one and can sell it to your customers directly. Now moving on to the 16th idea that I have for you is digital magazine. This is one of the thing that I'm using it. I have my own digital magazine. That is the page that you are watching right now. So I have a digital magazine. It's a highly profitable idea. You just need to make a magazine in the form of a PDF, or even if you're interested in making an application related to your magazine, you can go for it. If not, you can either sell your magazine in the form of PDF format, and when the customer make a purchase, they immediately get the PDF download of that magazine. So it's also a very profitable. You don't need to print a magazine, you don't need to deliver it to your customer at the doorstep. It's just quite profitable. You don't need to handle all those stuffs. Now moving on to the 17th idea that I have for you is coloring pages and crafts. Now the digital coloring pages and crafts are very common. It was the biggest industry in the creative field because there are many artists, there are many people who are selling the coloring pages. If you go onto the Etsy itself, you can see there are many digital coloring pages, and it's quite affordable to make one if you are the creative entrepreneur or if you are interested in making a business in this particular type of product. Now moving on to the 18th idea that I have for you is a kind of like stitching patterns, or you can say a type of a machine embroidery patterns. Now the one I have talked about previously, the embroidery patterns, the knitting pattern, crochet patterns, in that I haven't included the machine embroidery. Machine embroidery is quite different from the normal embroidery. So this is the idea, that is for the stitching patterns or the machine embroidery pattern. You can make one and you can sell it online. Now moving on to the 19th idea that I have for you is the digital textures or backgrounds. If you are a person, a photographer or a creative entrepreneur, whatever industry you are in, you can make these digital texture, digital backgrounds, and you can sell it. These are very popular because brands buy these digital textures, digital backgrounds, and they use it on their own websites or in their product itself or whatever format they want to use it. Now before moving on to the last digital idea, I just want to say, if you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that I will be releasing more such videos and it would be beneficial to you as well. So now moving on to the last idea that I have for you is softwares and application. Now you would be thinking that I'm not a coding geek or I'm not a coding expert who will going to make these softwares and applications and all that. Let me tell you guys, you don't need to be a coding expert to make a software or an application. You can either hire a coding expert, or even you can use the various different types of platforms that allow you to make your own application, your own software, and you can go with that. As it's also a profitable idea. There are many mobile applications that the person are selling, they are not the coding experts. So you can also make a one if you are interested in that. So these are the 20 digital product ideas that I have for you. If you have any other idea, let me know in the comment section below, and which type of product you are selling or you're interested in selling related to the digital product, also let me know in the comment section below. Take care guys, see you for the next time.